Listen, the first thing you do every morning is lose. You grab your phone before your brain is even awake, flood yourself with dopamine, then wonder why you can't focus for the rest of the day. Your attention is destroyed before breakfast. And the worst part? You think this is normal. Your morning isn't making you productive, it's training you to be weak. You wake up tired. First instinct? Phone. Notifications, reels, messages, random dopamine hits before your feet even touch the floor. 30 minutes disappear instantly. Then your brain starts craving stimulation every few seconds. Now work feels boring, reading feels impossible, the gym feels exhausting. You keep refreshing apps, checking notifications, searching for another quick hit. And then you wonder why you can't stay disciplined. Here's the truth. Most people don't lack motivation. Their brain is overstimulated. You open Instagram for 1 minute and suddenly you're late. You sit down to work, but your brain keeps begging for entertainment. You feel mentally scattered before the day even starts. And here's the real problem. This one habit silently destroys your discipline. I've been exactly where you are. Constant scrolling, zero focus, always tired. But once you understand what dopamine does to your brain in the first hour of the day, everything changes. Here's what nobody tells you. Your morning determines your mental strength for the next 12 hours. Most people wake up consuming. You're going to wake up controlling. Today, I'm giving you 5 steps to rebuild your mornings and take back control of your brain. These aren't motivational tricks. This is dopamine management, focus conditioning, discipline training. Execute these daily and your entire day changes. 1. Delay dopamine for 30 minutes. Instant stimulation destroys your brain's focus baseline. Your brain adapts to dopamine spikes fast. The more stimulation you consume early, the harder normal tasks feel later. So do this. Keep your phone away from your bed. No social media for the first 30 minutes. Use a real alarm clock if needed. Most people start the day reacting. You'll start the day controlling. Win the first 30 minutes and you control the next 12 hours. 2. Move your body immediately. Staying still keeps your brain passive. Movement increases alertness and regulates dopamine naturally. Action wakes up your nervous system faster than caffeine ever will. Do 20 push-ups immediately. Walk outside for 5 minutes. Drink water before coffee. Military environments use movement first because action kills mental fog. If your body stays asleep, your brain stays weak. Motion creates momentum. 3. Eliminate morning decision fatigue. Too many small choices drain mental energy early. Your brain has limited decision power every day. Waste it in the morning and discipline collapses later. Prepare your clothes the night before. Write tomorrow's first task before sleep. Eat the same simple breakfast daily. Most people waste energy deciding. You'll use energy executing. Chaos in the morning creates chaos in your mind. Simplicity builds discipline. 4. Attack one hard task first. Avoidance trains weakness. Every time you delay hard work, your brain learns procrastination. But completing difficult tasks early builds confidence and momentum. Choose one important task the night before. Start it within your first hour awake. No entertainment until it's done. Most people consume before they create. That's why they stay average. Your first battle decides your mindset. 5. Protect your brain from noise. Constant information overload destroys focus. Your brain needs silence to stabilize attention and lower stress levels. No music or podcasts for the first 10 minutes. Sit quietly while waking up. Focus on your breathing while getting ready. Most people fear silence because silence exposes weakness. If your brain never slows down, it never becomes strong. Silence sharpens dangerous minds. These aren't just morning habits, this is identity training. Every morning, you're teaching your brain one of 2 things, weakness or control. Disciplined men don't wake up chasing dopamine, they wake up with purpose. This is how strong minds are built before the world even wakes up. Comment, "No more morning loss" if you're done letting your phone control your life. And subscribe if you want discipline instead of dopamine. This channel isn't for lazy people. This is where mentally strong men are built.